Hey, what's up, girls? Your boy G Shrimp, everybody, fake baby daddy, voice of the street, man. And today we in Atlanta with it, y'all. We going back to ATL, looking over the Young Thug trial. Listen, man. When I tell y'all this judge got it in for Young Thug, look, the word power struck come to mind. That's when a motherfucker is got so much authority he likes the power of telling people what to do, ordering people to jail, and he don't even realize his head then got so big and consumed in this case. He locked up Young Thug's lawyer for contempt the other day for a meeting that he shouldn't even been having, y'all. And then Mr. Steele had a lawyer come in there to try to, speak up for him. He shot her down. What do you do when the person you got a problem with have the last word? Then today, they asked him to recuse himself because he's too caught up in it. He denied that with no problem. You want to know what a bully is, they need to take a mirror in there and stand in front of him. He act like he don't want the court to be bullying, but the only person I see him being a bully is you. Half the time we spend arguing, we can't even get to the trial because you spend time arguing, denying all the prosecution motions. The defense, motions. But you let the state get away with everything. And you send the man to jail for to listen to Woody sit up there and play fucking dumb. A real judge would be like, you know what? We're not going to do this. It's taking too long to get to the point. You asking him shit like, when did y'all become friends? Friends? What the fuck? Listen to this, man. Shout out to Seti Ass too.
Judge has to correct himself when the officer steps in.
So you filed a motion to recuse me. You filed an affidavit consistent with that, pursuant to Uniform Superior Court Rule, I believe 25.2. The court's had an opportunity to read your motion. I've also had an opportunity to take a look at, because this issue comes up a fair bit, Baptiste versus the state. I'd invite you to take a look at that, and that's from our Court of Appeals, 229 Georgia Appeals 691. Basically, you can't file a motion to recuse for ruling that a trial judge makes, okay? And that's what you're doing in this particular situation. You're saying you don't like what I ruled upon. You're alleging some facts in an affidavit that support that decision. Because if that were the case, then no trial judge would be able to sit through a trial and give adverse ruling. So
it's all about his opinion.
For the reasons set forth in Baptiste and other cases, I'm going to deny your motion to recuse on its face, okay?
Your Honor, may I just address what you said? I disagree with your characterization that I filed a motion as a result of any ruling.
No. Well, you did in your affidavit. I'm taking in your affidavit as face value, okay? All right? I'm not contesting where you got the information from, at least not yet.
Yes.
But I'm just saying that because it also encompasses that I made a ruling. And as a result of that, if I make a ruling and you don't like it, then every litigant will say, I want to recuse you, Judge Smith or Judge Glanville or Judge whoever, okay? So part and parcel of it is that's why I'm making my ruling in this particular case. Remember, bias. I've got to do something extrajudicial, and you're in your particular, I would have to say something about you or your clients or anything like that, which I would never do because I'm a steward of this particular process. So I understand what your objection is, or what your statement is in terms of your motion to recuse, and I'm going to deny it.
And I believe, Your Honor, that under Rule 25.3, that you have to cease acting right now.
No, I don't.
And then if I can just finish, and then I promise, if I can just finish this. I believe you have to cease acting. I believe that under 25.3, you have to look at the timeliness of the motion, and you have to look at the sufficiency of the affidavit. I do not believe that you are permitted to just simply deny without taking those steps.
Right.
Is that it?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So noted.
Are you denying
And he go deny
So
again.
your motion, okay?
Will you grant a certificate of immediate review?
No, sir.
Because
No, sir.
if you grant that certificate, You're always talking about how the appellate court.
No, because if I grant the certificate, it stops the case. Okay,
I don't agree.
And I'm not going to do that.
I don't believe it stops the
He
case.
said
do that.
Hence the brain reason right there. He do not want to stop the case.
I'll live by it.
He want to stay on the case.
Case right now, Your Honor.
Sir, I'd be real careful about what you're pleading at this point in time, what you're stating to the court. I just, as a matter of professional responsibility, remember, we haven't nugged out all of the issues involved in that affidavit. And I would be very careful if I were you, because you have some professional responsibility obligations individually and to this court. And so, I would just leave it at that, respectfully. I don't want to get into an argument with you about that, but I would just tell you that, tread lightly, okay, in terms of that, at this point.
I understand, Your Honor, and I believe that the certificate of immediate review would be in the interest of the court.
I'm not going to do that.
Would you make factual findings regarding?
I am not, at this point in time, I've denied the motion, okay?
I believe that's an error, Your Honor.
All right, okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, can we call Mr. Copeland now, please? Mr. Weinstein?
Now they did all that, y'all, to listen to Woody sit on the stand and talk about some dumbass shit. Young Thug ain't looking like the crime boss they made him out to be. He's making a mockery of the court. And if this is y'all star witness, y'all done gave him immunity. I'm pretty sure he done did way more shit than Young Thug. That's why Young Thug, he even said, Young Thug said he wasn't going to sign me because I'm still in the street. God damn, this y'all star witness? Who he working for? Really? He really said that. And I'm thinking, the judge ought to be like, wait a minute, what side you on? But he's so caught up in doing this shit every day, he don't even realize that he liked the attention. Everybody done told him he wrong, but he gets the last word. It's like a crooked cop on the street. When they doing wrong, they the law on the street. And in the courtroom, he the judge, and what he say goes. But this shit go come back to bite his ass. I'm talking about for real, for real. He done sent a bunch of people to jail, y'all. It's like, I need a drink of water, y'all. That contempt of court shit, let me tell you something about that. That is a timeless charge. If the judge don't stipulate, I'm going to put you in jail for 10 days for contempt, you can go to jail for contempt. And if you don't get back to court to straighten out whatever problem you have with the judge, you can still be in there. Look, I had some partners caught a drug case. It's like 3 of them, right? One guy, they wanted him to testify. He said he ain't talking. Judge held him in contempt, locked him up. Don't you know the other 2 guys copped out to the case, went to the penitentiary, did 2 years and come back. And then they see this nigga again. They done caught some more cases. And they said, damn, what kind of case you got now? He like, I'm still in here on that contempt. He like, what? You didn't know we copped out to that shit? He like, no, I've been in here. Man, he had to tap on the window, tell the officer he wants to go to court. The officer went to court. The judge was even shocked, like, you still been in here? He said, why you ain't came to court? He said, I've been in jail, and I don't have a court date. He like, you should have been out of here. Them people done copped out to the time, went, did it, and they back on another case. You know the judge ordered them to release that man right now, walk him out the building right now, take him to get his clothes, leave whatever he got, get him out of the building now. That's how deadly that charge is. And he just waved it around and he done locked him up like it's cool on the weekend, Mr. Stills. Then they ask you to recuse yourself. Technically, they got a reason for it. And then they asked for a mistrial 3 times. 3 times. And he denied it every time. Now, why would you think they asking you for a mistrial? This is the 3rd time and you constantly denied and you want to keep going. Why are you so invested in this Young Thug case? You should be like, look, y'all can take this to another judge. What you getting out of it? See your bald head ass up here. Man, come on, man. That's what they say. When black people get power, they abuse their fucking authority. And this is a perfect example of it. This how he doing people in the courtroom. Man, y'all been on this shit 86 days now. Now it's, I think, 90 days now. When you gonna get to what you're trying to get to? You asking Woody too many dumbass questions. When you go get to the RICO part, what makes them a criminal organization? Then you asking them about 30 Deep. I thought they was from YSL. What the fuck 30 Deep got to do with it? I heard that some shit come out of St. Louis. Damn, y'all just want everybody to be a gang. Everything is a gang, huh? Let me know what y'all think. Man, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, man. This is abuse of power. And the bad part about this, y'all, is he got the last word to everything. It ain't nobody can walk in the courtroom and tell him what to do. Even when they suggest it, he go in the chambers, think about it, and I'm going to deny your motion. He shoots everything down. He really want to see Young Thug go to jail, but the state ain't got enough evidence, y'all. If this is their main witness, shit, this motherfucker go free Thug quicker than any good lawyer could. Shit, he up there playing dumb, and the way it's going, he acting real good. Because the lawyer, the state's attorney, wasting her time asking him this shit. Damn, bitch, you ain't got no better questions to ask this nigga? Ask him who killed such and such. Ask him did Young Thug give you a kid cocaine? How is this a criminal organization if he ain't even in it? He just said Young Thug said he wouldn't sign me because I'm still in the street. I thought y'all said he was a kingpin. Or YSL. This one of the main guys? No wonder he running around here robbing the strippers. That's why Thug making fun of him like, the bitch go get robbed by Woody. Yeah. That's crazy, y'all. Hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. That's crazy, man. And to think about this, Young Thug been in jail all that time. Y'all forget about the other RICO that they had with the rival gang, Young Fly Nigga Lucci. He done copped out and went down there and then did his time. He ain't home yet, but he done copped out. Young Thug's still in there. I thought they both supposed to have had a big RICO case. But then all it took was the state's attorneys lighting the load for him. Take the spotlight off him and put it on Thug, and they make a lot of deals in them courtrooms that we don't see, y'all. A lot of deals that they can just make a case go away just like that. That lawyer went in there and said a few things, and bam, he was out there just like that. What happened to the murder case? Ain't this the nigga who pushed the motherfucker out the car? His own partner? Yeah, that's the only thing y'all got on, and then what else? Hearsay. That's all they got on Young Thug. Hearsay. This shit is not holding up, y'all. I'm telling you. But I feel sorry for Young Thug just sitting in there like, man, this shit here just crazy. It's a circus. And the motherfucker with the biggest nose and the biggest shoe is the goddamn judge. He the ringleader, and he don't even know it. Goofy ass motherfucker. They should ban his ass from even coming to court tomorrow. They need to pull him over and lock him up. You was drinking last night. You ain't going to court. God damn it. It's your boy G Shrimp. Everybody faith baby daddy. Voice of the street. I'm gonna plant you now, dig you later. I'm out of here.